Hi, yoga buddies. When you feel tired or need a little boost of energy, this gentle yoga flow will help you feel fresh and happy again. Remember to breathe, move slowly, and smile through each pose. And before we start, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to join our peaceful yoga family. Ready? Let's begin.
Stand tall with your feet together, arms by your sides. Take a deep breath and feel strong and awake.
Slowly bend forward, letting your head and arms hang loose. Relax your neck and breathe softly.
Place your hands on your shins, straighten your back, and look forward with a soft smile.
Step one foot forward and lower your back knee. Reach your arms up to the sky, feeling your body open. Sit back on your heels, stretch your arms forward, and rest your forehead on the mat. Take slow, calm breaths. Lie on your stomach. Place your palms near your shoulders and lift your chest gently. Keep your hips on the mat. Lie on your back, bend your knees, and lift your hips up. Press your feet and shoulders into the mat. Sit cross-legged and reach one arm overhead. Gently stretch to the side, breathing in the energy around you.
Lie on your back, bend one knee, and gently twist it across your body. Extend your arms and take slow breaths.
Sit cross-legged. Place your hands on your knees, close your eyes, and take a deep, peaceful breath. Great job, yoga buddies! You did amazing today. Your body feels refreshed and your mind calm. Remember, even a few minutes of gentle yoga can bring new energy to your day. If you enjoyed this session, give it a big thumbs up and subscribe for more fun and relaxing yoga adventures. See you next time.